Seedance 2.5 just got released, and today we are going to compare it against its previous version, the previous best AI video generator model, which is Seedance 2. And we're going to do that all inside syntax.ai. If you want to follow along, I will drop the link for the platform down below in the description, and we got a 15% discount code so you can use it on your own and test out the prompts that I will show you today. And you can get started with just 7.5 euros per month. So let's begin. First of all, you will need a couple of images, a couple of high quality images, which you are going to use as a reference for your Seedance videos. Great part about Syntax is that they've got an image generation model. Actually, they've got all of the best image generation models, so you can generate any kind of image you want. In the past, I've shown you how we generated cinematic storyboards that we can turn into videos. So we're going to use this one with a dragon and this one with pancakes, as well as create a full end-to-end workflow for viral YouTube shorts. Specifically, this cat is going to cook some fish and eat them up, and I will show you how the generations compare from Seed 2 to Seed 2.5. So to use Seedance 2.5, you want to go to the Video tab, select Seedance on the right panel, go to 2.5. The resolution right now that the companies have released is up to 720p. There are two options: keyframes and omni-reference. On omni-reference, you put all of the images in bulk that you want AI to use to generate your video. While if you select keyframes, you import a starter frame, which is going to be the initial image that the video will start from, and the last frame. This is going to be the finishing image. So for example, if I would like to have this cat get the fish from the market, I'm going to add it as the first image, and then the second image would be the cat collecting the fish into each basket. So the video will start with this image and finish up with this image. And everything in between happens through Seedance 2.5. That's how keyframes work. The aspect ratio is set automatically according to your image size, and the duration of the video now goes all the way up to 30 seconds. You can of course include audio or remove it. That's all really up to you. So what I've done is I've generated all of the videos that I've done with Seed 2 with Seed 2.5 inside syntax.ai. So let's begin to see how each of these compare against each other. The first comparison is between Seedance 2 and Seedance 2.5, taking a storyboard of an epic battle scene of a knight versus a dragon. And as we can see, obviously Seedance 2 has great quality. However, when we go into Seedance 2.5, we can see that everything is so much more cinematic, so much more epic. So in my opinion, Seedance 2.5 is a lot better in this case. Now, the second generation is about cartoonish videos from a storyboard, and in all honesty, I cannot really tell the difference. If you see the two clips, what becomes apparent is that Seedance 2.5 goes ahead and adds as much more details and style as possible, while Seedance 2 is a little bit more simplistic. However, in my opinion, the generation of Seedance 2 is just a different aesthetic to that of Seedance 2.5. Let me know down below in the comments your own opinion. And now we are moving towards comparing the little clips from the cat YouTube sort. And obviously we can see that both generations of Seedance 2 and Seedance 2.5 are equally good. The only difference I can see is that Seedance 2.5 has a little bit more realistic animations, but overall I cannot really tell the difference. If you found any other detail, please let me know down below in the comments. But overall, Seedance 2.5 is a very capable and very amazing model that you should add to your toolcase. One more thing is that all of the generations that Seedance 2.5 did were done one shot, while in many cases Seedance 2 needed multiple generations to get the exact aesthetic that I needed, so this is also obviously a big deal. However, Seedance 2.5 right now doesn't have a high quality output option, it's just 720p, so take that in mind if you're looking to create some kind of 4K resolution quality, because that might be an issue. One more thing that I wanted to note is that Seedance 2.5 was able to create amazing animations as the one you see on screen right now. However, when I tried to prompt Seedance 2 to do the exact same thing, it wasn't able to do it. It always generated a generic animation that had some cards, which I don't understand why it did. So for motion graphics, Seedance 2.5 is also super capable. Finally, Syntax allowed me to generate like 10 to 20 videos of Seedance 2.5 and I still got credits to continue doing generations. So this is arguably the most affordable place to check Seedance 2.5 and test it out. Link for Syntax down below in the description, and let me know what you think about Seedance 2.5 again in the comments.